got you touched, don't you? And then look down. It's honestly insane, like it's insane. Oh, thank you. It's like it's about midnight, and we are just sitting down for a bit because we're both exhausted. Yeah. We've been dancing for ages, which you'll just see by now. Oh. Look who I'm with. Oh, hang on. Oh. Oh. I'm with Craig. Oh. I don't think anyone can hear me, so I will link Craig down below. Honestly, like, I literally love Craig. Go subscribe to him. Go follow him on his amazing journey. Thank you. Say what kind of video. Say like a bit about you.
I'm a talk about shit. I talk about my life.
No, I'll be a pet.
Enseñas a mi boca sus lugares favorito. Dígame sobre.
So we are back from the event now, in the hotel, all chilled, in my pyjamas. Not gonna lie, I'm really gutted because I left my coat there. And it's the one that you're gonna see me probably wearing. The yellow one, and I'm really gutted. My foot is also really swollen. Anyway, I got a goodie bag, so I thought that I would share with you what was in the goodie bag. So the goodie bag, came in a like canvas bag like this. It says Makeup Revolution, Makeup Revolution London. And I thought that I would really quickly share with you guys what was in the goodie bag in case you were interested. So the first thing that's in the bag is this, which is a Makeup Revolution. Ignore that my nail's pinged off as well. It's a Makeup Revolution. This is a what do you call it? A face mask. If I open it, you can see it looks like this. Like, it's insane. I'm super excited to use that. You also got the Love Every Shade Makeup Obsession like eyeshadow palette, which looks again amazing. You got the Makeup Revolution Pro eyeshadow palette, which this looks incredible, like the marble shades. You got a mascara, which I love the Makeup Revolution mascara set, really good. And you also got a jelly highlighter, which I've never used a jelly highlighter before. This is by Makeup Revolution, and the packaging for it is just insane. So that's everything that was in the goodie bag. I'm gonna leave it all there. I'm tired. We have food on its way. My feet are really swollen. I've left my coat at the event. I'm really gutted, but I'm gonna try and get it back tomorrow. And I will pick up the vlog in the morning because I'm exhausted. Hey guys, Future Grace here. I'm actually filming this. I'm trying to get like as low down as possible, but it just doesn't look very nice. Future Grace here. I am actually filming this about an hour before I'm going to upload this vlog. I wanted to explain why the vlog just sort of like cut off at the end, and properly just like end the whole vlog, and yeah, so I thought I would do that quick. I didn't film the next day, so basically on the event was on the Thursday. On the Friday morning we woke up in the hotel, had some breakfast, and then headed out to go find my coat. It was like mission hashtag like find Gracie's coat, and we found it, which was really good. And then we literally just headed we went to Harrods, and then we went from Harrods to Oxford Street, and then we literally came home. And on the way home, my car got a flat tyre, so we were those people standing on the side of the potentially M40 for about an hour waiting for the AA man to come and rescue me, which he did, and he was lovely, by the way. So that's why I kind of didn't vlog. It was kind of all up in the air. It's currently Sunday, so yesterday on Saturday we went to Ragley Hall, which is, it's not close to me, but it's also not that far. It's about half an hour, 40 minutes away from me. And they had the Halloween fireworks. They apparently have it every single year, but this is the first year that I've gone to it. And it's really good, so I would definitely recommend it. All of that stuff is on my Instagram if you want to see any pictures or videos of that. That's all on my Instagram. I'm not going to pop it in here just because I filmed it on my phone, so it'd be the wrong way around, and that really annoys me. So anyway, I thought I would share with you a couple of bits that I picked up. I only got 3 things, and majority of it's from Lush. So I thought that I would show you the thing I got from Harrods. So I've wanted for ages to get a Chanel card wallet, but they're like £250 at least, and I just think like I'd rather not, even though I love it. And to be fair, like I probably will get one in like maybe next year at some point, but I thought this would like help me to not want to spend that amount of money. So I picked up one from Harrods. This one was £12. It's like a card wallet. You've got 2 spaces in the front, you have like the middle, oopsies, the middle gap, and then 2 spaces at the back. I really like it, and I feel like, I know it's £12, but it's quite cheap for Harrods, so I saw it and I was like, hopefully it will stop me from spending £250. So I picked that up, and then I got 2 things from Lush. So I got I wanted to get 2 like exclusive things. So I got the bath bomb that's inspired by Ariana Grande, which is a goddess bath bomb, which looks like this. My camera is on autofocus, so hopefully it focuses. There we go. That's what it looks like. I'm not sure what this smell is. It's a bit like Twilight. Is it a Twilighty smell? I mean, even though I work for Lush, I'm not very good with smells. But I picked that up. It's got in it jasmine, absolute, sandalwood, cocoa butter, rose oil, all good stuff. And then the other one I got, which was another exclusive, is this, which I think you pronounce it divination, but I could be wrong. I'd love to know if any of you have tried it or bought any of these. And it is a bubble bar that looks like this. I couldn't leave it. I just smelt it, and to me it just is like an autumnal smell. I thought it was really, really cool. I don't know if I can see what this has got in it because I ripped the label. Patchouli oil in it, violet leaf, rose oil, but it just smelled like that, like really autumnal like smell to me. So I picked up those 2 things from Lush, and that's everything that I got. I am gonna mention everyone who was in this vlog down below, so I won't mention Jay because he doesn't have YouTube, but there was Rachel from Well Hello Rachel, there was Victoria from Victoria J, there was Craig, and Leah XO, so I'll link all of those people down below. I had a really good night. Thank you to Make It Revolution for inviting me. I always have an amazing time. There was amazing events, and they just kept better and better, so I don't know like how they're gonna possibly top it next year. Like Buckingham Palace maybe is the venue, like I don't know, but I had an amazing time. So thank you to Make It Revolution for inviting me. I'm very, very grateful, and thank you for letting me take a +1, because I wouldn't have gone on my own because I'm too scared to do all these sort of things. But yeah, it was really good, and an amazing like goodie bag. But I hope that you like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up so I know that you like these kind of videos, and that they're worth like filming vlogs and stuff. So if you do like it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. I'll link everyone down below, so definitely do check them out, and I will see you all very soon for my next video. Bye.